been so much going on, there really hasn't been time to make video. Here, I'll show you where we are with the car. I'll pop a picture in here of the first wheel fitment. But we've got the body on, wheel wells all done. Everything's done in here. With the tail lights, brake lights hooked up, they all function as far as we know. There's the wire going up, a couple of nice clamps. Still got this little tiny dribble out of there. Strangest thing. There's our crankcase pressure vent, crankcase tank, oil filter location. Yeah, almost pretty good. Nice braided lines. All set up. Full wheel wood system. This one already done too. Nice. Haven't seen the body in a while. We got the little louvers in. Nice fat air filter down there. I don't know if you can see it. Cockpit aluminum all installed. Got our little quick release steering adapter. We went ahead, we had to make a brace here because this little bracket here, the idler pulley bracket here, it was wobbling, so we just added a little brace, piece of square tube, welded it to that, put a little tab on there. Got that guy today during testing. That guy worked pretty well. I have a couple things to mount up. This hood latch release. Yeah, we're closer and closer and closer every day. I think tomorrow we're going to do the wiper arm. And man, it's so close. So close.